Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on a fun-filled adventure to one of the most peaceful and scenic picnic spots in Arunachal Pradesh, Seijosa. This place is honestly a hidden gem, located right next to the Pake Tiger Reserve. If you're someone who's tired of the noise, stress, and traffic of city life, this is the perfect escape. The air here is fresh, the river is crystal clear, and the only sound you hear is birds chirping and water flowing. Total peace, total vibe. Here's our underwater shot. We had to try something cinematic, and look at how cool it turned out. My friends jumped into the water right away, and yes, I'm in the water too, guys. Brr, cold but refreshing. Haha. Now this part is funny. I'm just lying down in the water like I'm at a spa. Look at him. Water has taken him away, and he can't even control it. And these two, trying to swim, but plot twist, they don't know how to swim. One of the best things about coming to Seijosa is how connected you feel to nature. No mobile network, no stress, just you, your friends, the river, and good vibes. It's the perfect spot to refresh your mind and enjoy some quality bonding time. Honestly, coming here not only refreshes your body but also your mind. Sometimes nature is the best therapy. Finally, we reached this beautiful Jia Bharali Bridge and just stood there for a while, soaking in the moment. This is it. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Hope you felt the vibes. Catch you in the next one. Tata, bye bye.